Monica here with Creativities Galore. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing this really pretty foil tag using Laura Kelly's newest line with thermal web. Let's get started. We'll start by taking the toner sheet and cutting out the tag. I will be using my Cricut Joy. Here I have it on the Cricut Joy mat, and let's cut this tag. So here we have our tag cut out. Super easy. Now for the fun part. So you will need a piece of parchment paper. You'll lay the tag inside and put it all the way to the crease. Then I use a little microfiber cloth to kind of dust it off, make sure there's no little bits of trash on it. And then you put the foil the color side up. Put that pretty side up. And we close. There we go. I grabbed it. Okay, so we'll move our laminator to the side. And now, here we go. For the reveal, how cute is this? Look at that. Such a beautiful color. Now let's decorate it. So I'm gonna get my ink pad. I'm using a purple color, some white cardstock, a clear stamping block, and my stamps from Laura Kelly's Thermal Web product line. I'm using the Kindness on Purpose ones. I will be using the cupcake and the sprinkle kindness. So I'm gonna color in the cupcake with some color pencils. Have them cut out, and now I will use these 3D foam squares to add them to my tag. Okay, here they are added to the tag. You can see the small little 3D effect right there. It's a cute little detail. Now the only thing that's left to do is add some ribbon. And we're done with our Sprinkle Kindness foil tag. Let me know in the comments down below what you think I should make next. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Happy crafting!